Okay guys, welcome once again to Rest Academy, where we make complex classroom stuff easier so that you can rest. So today's video we are going to look at how to solve simultaneous equations with only the calculator. If you've watched my video on solving linear equations with calculator, I'm going to teach you how to also solve simultaneous equations with only your calculator. You don't need to do any calculations, only your calculator. So if you have something like this in your objective, instead of using the substitution or what method, you can just use your calculator to solve it under 1 minute and you get your answer, right? So simultaneous equation is just an equation having two variables. So here you can see we have an x here, we have a y, and we have this as equation 1 and equation 2. So if you've known about linear equations, I taught you about, so when you have a variable, this is called the variable, the x is the variable, and then the 2 is called the coefficient. So with your calculator, so when you switch on your calculator, you press on mode, right? Mode. So you press on mode, you look for equation, and on my calculator, equation is number 5, so I press 5, right? Then you choose the first one. So the first one is linear equation in two variables, right? So you can see we have x and then y. And then the second one is linear equation, simultaneous equation. So this is simultaneous equation in two variables. So we have x and y, and then a constant, right? And then we have simultaneous equation in three variables. So we have x, y, and then z, and then the constant. So we are going to solve simultaneous equation in two variables, and then I leave you to try simultaneous equation with three variables. It's actually the same procedure, no difference. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one, right? So we have two equations here. These are equation 1 and equation 2. So you choose one, right? Simultaneous equation in two variables. So over here you have a, b, c. You're going to enter only the coefficient, right? And then the constant, and make sure that the two equations are arranged the same, right? So you have x first, x here, right? Y here, y here, and then a constant on the other side. Make sure the equation is arranged like this. So you have x, y, and then the constant, or whatever variable it is, maybe a, b, and then a constant. Make sure it is arranged like this, and make sure the position of x and y are the same through all the equations. So if x is starting over here, you should make sure s is also starting over here. If y is here, make sure y is over here, so that it will work. So I'm going to enter the coefficients, right, of the first equation. So we have the first coefficient being 2. So you enter 2 on your calculator, you press equal to. Then you enter the coefficient of y, which is 3. So you press 3 and then equal to. Then you enter the constant, which is 1. So 1 and then equal to. Then we check the second equation. So the first coefficient is what? 4. So you press 4 equal to. And the coefficient of y here is -1. Right? So -1 and then equal to. And then the constant is 5. You press 5 equal to. So after pressing equal to, you see that you filled in all the gaps over here. So you check if it's correct. So we have 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, -1, and 5. So it's all correct. So you press equal to one more time, and then you see the equation is solved. So it gave us the value of x as 8 on 7, and the value of y as -3 on 7. So with that, your equation is solved easily and quickly. Guys, so don't forget to share this video to your friends who are in school. Don't forget to subscribe to Rest Academy, like the video, and share with your friends. See you again next time in the next video. Bye bye.